Hello, welcome back to this channel, and today we have a fun video where we're upgrading a subscriber's computer. I think this build will have a lot of value because a lot of you are still going to be running this build, where this build is running a 4-core from 7 years ago. In order to ensure a smooth gaming experience, the owner essentially had to close all the applications, including web browsing, to ensure that there's no jitters and stutters during gameplay. And that is a key indication that the CPU is a major bottleneck. So for this build, we're going to be upgrading the motherboard, processor, and the RAM. For the CPU, we are going with the 3700X. And for the motherboard, we're going with the Gigabyte RSM in mini ITX format. And for the RAM, we are going for 32 gigabytes of Trident Z's RGB RAM kit. So we will be carrying over the case, the power supply, the drives, and the graphics card. And in this case, the graphics card is the 980 Ti. This is a great example of how you can bring back life to your gaming computer just by upgrading the processor, motherboard, and RAM. You don't need to upgrade the graphics card to ensure a great gaming experience. Now with that said, let's move on to the build montage. All right, overall the build was easy and really smooth. So let's go over the two most important things that you may ask yourself about this upgrade. The first thing is, what is the difference that you will see? So there are two things that I would say you would notice with this upgrade. The first thing is you will most likely notice your gaming experience is going to be much smoother. I would expect all of your stuttering, or at least most of your stuttering, to be completely gone. The second benefit is you don't need to close any of your applications. Now I say that cautiously because it depends on the application that you're running in the background. But light applications like web browsing, Discord, and other applications alike, you don't have to close them as you game. Okay, so that just about wraps up this short and fun video. So if you have any questions regarding computers or anything about your build, please don't forget to leave a comment below and I would definitely do my best to answer your question. And with that said, and I'll see you guys in the next video.